welcome to lesson 6 of tutorial 4, Matrices and Systems of Linear Equation. So in this video, we are going to discuss question number 14. So in this question, please prepare your highlighter because we are going to highlight the main point in this question. So for question 14, 3 weightlifters, Herman, Talib and Arif entered a weightlifting contest in which they could make up their total weight by adding 3 different sides. So Herman used 4 of weight X, 3 of weight Y and 5 of weight Z with total 295. Talib 2 of weight X, 5 of weight Y and 3 of weight Z for total 295. Arif 3 of weight X, 4 of weight Y and 5 of weight Z for a total of 310 kilo. So use the above information to determine the 3 separate weights by using Gauss-Jordan elimination method. So this question wants to use Gauss-Jordan elimination method. So we're going to answer that question first. So to use Gauss-Jordan elimination method, the first thing is to write the equation Herman, Talib and Arif. Since you have highlighted in the question, so we know that Herman used 4x, 3y and 5z with total of 295. And Talib 2x, 5y and 3z with total 295. And Arif 3x, 4y, 5z with total 310. So in Gauss-Jordan elimination method, first step is write them in matrix equation. So in matrix equation, this is 4, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5 times with x, y, z equals 295, 295, 310. Okay, so to solve this, write in augmented matrix first. So let's say this is A, this is X and this is B. So to get X, we basically use augmented matrix A, B. And final answer, this will be identity and X. Okay, so continue. 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5. 295, 295, 310. Okay, so I'm going to change the first element into 1. So how do we make 4 into 1? So row 1 new is, okay, so I can just minus row 1 minus row 3, then I could get 1 there. So okay, so I'm just continue here. So this will be 1, negative 1, 0, negative 15. Okay, the other 2 rows, just copy back. 2, 5, 3, 2, 9, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 0. And then the next step is change the 0 in the first column. So we're going to fix this row. So how do we change 2 into 0? So row 2 is row 2 minus 2 times row 1. And row 3 is row 3 minus 3 times row 1. So continue. You will have 1, negative 1, 0. The first row is the same. The second row would be 0, 7, 3, 3, 2, 5, 0, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5. Now, we are done with the first column. Then we're moving on to the second column. And in the second column, we change the number 1 first. So 7, how do we change 7 into 1? And I will do 1 per 7 times row 2. So row 1 and row 3, nothing changed. So we just write back. So what's the value in the second row? The new row is 0, 1, 3 per 7, 3 to 5 per 7. So next step is change the 0 in the second column. So I'm going to fix the second row. So how do we change negative 1 into 0? It's obvious that row 1 plus row 2. And how do we change 7 into 0? It is row 3 minus 7 times row 2. Right, so the second row, just write back. So the first row, the new value would be 1, 0, then 3 per 7, then this one is 2 to 0 per 7, and the new third row is 0, 0 to 30. So we're done with the second column. So next we're going to the third column, and we're going to change 2 into 1. So row 3 new is half times row 3, and the rest just copy back. The new row 3 is 0, 0, 1, 15. Now we're almost done. How do we change 3 per 7 into 0? So how do we change 3 per 7 into 0? So row 1 is row 1 minus 3 per 7 times row 3. It must be the same number for it to become 0, right? So row 2, the same operation. Row 2 minus 3 per 7 row 3. And we fix this row. The new value would be, this part will be the identity matrix, and you will have the new value at the right side, which is 25, 40, and 15. So there you have the solution to the X matrix. So then you would have X equals to 25, Y equals to 40, and Z equals to 15. Okay, so we solved the question for part A. So let's go back to the question. For part B, if Talib replaced one weight Z by a weight Y, would this change the result of the competition? So let's see the original equation for Talib. So Talib's original equation is 2x plus 5y plus 3z. So Talib wants to change 1z into 1y, which means Talib will have less 1z and more 1y. Alright? So what would be the new equation for Talib? So 2x plus, since Talib will have one more of y, so 6y, and he will have one less of z, so 2z. So we're going to find out whether this will change the result of the competition. So you already find the value of x, y, z. So we substitute in the value of x, y, and z. So 2 times 25 plus 6 times 40 plus 2 times 15. So what is the total? Total will be 315. 20. So who won the competition? So of course Talib will won the competition if he changed the one z into one y. So conclusion is yes, it will change the result. Alright, so that's it for question 14. Now for your task, please do question number 16. And that's all for tutorial 4. Good luck everyone.